Alluring, amazing, Avera. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have all-inclusive access to everything? Fantastic amenities, swoon-worthy apartment interiors, proximity to high-profile employers, and extraordinary entertainment? Abberly Avera Apartment Homes by HHHunt in Manassas, Virginia invites you to indulge in a stress-free lifestyle, knowing that everything you could wish for is within reach. If you'd rather stay indoors, our vibrant clubhouse with 4K Ultra HD smart TVs, gaming lounge with shuffleboard, foosball, and vintage arcade games, and the technology zone with private pod stations are there for you. We also offer a state-of-the-art fitness center with free weights. Outside, you'll find a pool with a social shelf, outdoor gathering space, bark park, yard games, and more. As for our generously sized apartments, they will mesmerize you with their stunning interiors and lavish vibe. Enjoy gorgeous 9 or 10-foot ceilings, kitchens with mocha wood cabinetry, large living rooms basking in sunlight, oversized walk-in closets, spacious bedrooms, spa-inspired bathrooms, and a private patio or balcony. We're also pet-friendly, with no dog breed restrictions, and can provide furnished apartments per request. All of this plus a management company with over 5 decades in apartment management, customer-focused staff, and 24-hour emergency maintenance. Join us for a private tour of Manassas, Virginia apartments and get a taste of the luxurious lifestyle you'll enjoy here. Schedule yours today at AbberlyAvera.com. Abberly Avera Apartment Homes by HHHunt are part of the HHHunt Apartment Living brand. To find a list of all of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.